retarded zooming in. Just stay in one frame with both of us talking about the world, okay? Okay.
Hey, if you want someone to do that, then you can set the camera up in a tripod.
You're just too artsy.
Max, we're just trying to make a YouTube video. No one does that stuff.
Yeah, I know. Come on. Can we just
Hey, you started? Max, you started!
Okay, whatever. Okay. Welcome to the
Quinn and Rose Talk Show! Woo!
Today we're going to talk about the world's problems.
Yeah, because the world has tons of issues, as you see in this globe.
Okay.
Even the globe has issues, so...
Yeah.
Our first country is Alaska. Well, it's a beast, so screw that.
Yeah, okay. Now... Oh! Sam! Okay. Next country...
Let me just do some talking.
Okay.
Russia. Russia's the biggest country in the world.
I know. Why?
Who likes them?
Ew.
They're bitches.
Yeah, I know. Totally. Like ass faces to the max.
Oh, there's an island called Bikini. That's a beast.
Oh, yeah. That is
Even on that, Max.
We are going there.
Bikini.
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 And okay, and then there's Mongolia. I mean, it's between China and Russia.
That's what I said, retard.
What's wrong with that? I mean, come on. And then Japan and China are all messed up because people like
Hawaii
in the dumpster.
Yeah! Woo! Is that even Hawaii? Oh no, that's not even Hawaii.
Oh wait,
this is Hawaii.
I like
woohoo! It's a beast.
France is pretty cool.
Yeah, it has
Fashion.
great fashion and stuff.
Yeah.
It only has like a boot. It's really wicked. You like
I know.
spaghetti
I love
and
boots.
gelato.
Oh my god. Okay. Damn. And New York. I mean, what is with all those gangs? I mean, I love New York, but I mean, what's with all the gangs? I mean, come on.
Yeah,
What's wrong?
totally.